Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at SoundPEATS have decided to produce the Air4s. Now with that, you get the Snapdragon Sound with AptX lossless sound, 13mm dynamic drivers. For immersive sound, you get adaptive, active noise canceling tech, 3 microphones for noise canceling, 88 millisecond low latency game mode as well. So a total of 26 hours out of these with the Playtime and the case and everything. Bluetooth 5.3. You should have some pretty good connections. So we're going to pop this open here. I've actually had these for a few days, but I just hadn't had it probably about a week or so. I hadn't had a chance to get around and open them up. But today we're going to do so. This is the packaging that it comes in. And I will give a quick rundown of these. Nothing special in this video. I'm just going to try to get it done for you. And we will circle back around like I do here. So obviously you can see the battery there is 330 milliamps on the charging case, and the earbuds are 35 milliamps each. So yeah, take note of that. Here, your imagination. This is how the box comes. It lets you know a little bit more on here. And this is what we have. So we're going to pop this open here. A little shake. All right. And you've got your literature here. That's all. I try not to bore you guys with the literature. You guys don't really care about, I mean, some of us read that. I do when I have time. But here are the earbuds. And then here, you've got nothing. And then on this side, you have the charging cable. And it is Type-C. Yeah. I have tons of Type-C charging cables laying around, so I'm not too much concerned about that. Here is more packaging. Here, just slide down. There we go. All right. And here are the buds. Now, right at the rip, I always start with something as simple as the case. The case on a device is going to tell you a lot about the product. So look at this case. Now, a couple things are different here. You've actually got the syncing button on the front of the case now. Haven't seen that in quite a while, if at all, lately. And then you have your Type-C down here. Lets you know that it's going to give you a little bit of boost in charge there, fast charging. And then you've got nothing on the top. And then you've got that little bit of SoundPEATS, that signature gold or bronze looking logo there on the back. And as you open it up here, here are the buds. Now give it a little shake test. Again, phenomenal. These are a phenomenal case. You've got the magnetic close on here. You've got a nice strong hinge on here. Some people always question, well, why is that so important, Jay? That's important because if you drop these out of your pocket, they're not too quick to fall out and fall all over the place. That is why. That is why you need a strong case. This case is, in fact, passing the strong case test. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. You got your LED lighting up there to let you know the juice status. And then here they are, man. Taking a look at it here, they're labeled right and left. This is the right side. You can see there's a little R right there. And you can see it has 3 microphones on here. They have got them set up to where you're going to have some good sound. And I'm going to pair these up to my Z Fold 5 and see how they feel. I'm actually heading out to an event at some point today, and I'll probably go ahead and take these with me and see how they are. Gonna make some phone calls and everything and see how these measure up. But for now, unboxing and first impressions of the hardware, these SoundPEATS look really cool. These are actually really lightweight too. These are really lightweight actually. They're a little bit stubbier and smaller than some of the other SoundPEATS that I've gotten in. Good, nice little hardware quality. I'm glad the glossy part is not on the outside of the bud. I do not like a shiny earbud or a glossy earbud because I always seem to drop them out of my hand when I'm trying to put it in my ear, or just drop them, period. So these are going to be really nice. In-ear active noise canceling should be really impressive, and I'm ready to check these out. So hardware down, I'll follow back up with sound quality in another video, but I wanted to bring you these and show you that they do look pretty awesome out the gate. So, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. First impressions, I'm impressed with the hardware. I'll get these paired up and we will talk about them.